Hello, what's going on guys? My name is Matthew Moustache and welcome to my workshop. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a little bit different type of box with a different type of top. And this box, to be honest, is one of my favorite because of that fancy rolling top. So stay with me and let's jump into the video. So the base material for this project is an oak and 2 pieces of ash. I'm cutting to the rough size. Now making them nice and square. Because of the width, first I'm gonna cut almost halfway through to make it much easier to cut it on a bandsaw. Now I'm gonna make everything nice and smooth with my old good Stanley number 4. And my little Japanese kind of. Now we're going to join these 2 boards with biscuit jointer. That's going to be the bottom of the box. A little squeeze of glue. Few biscuits. Now clamp it down and leave it for a couple of hours. Now I'm gonna mark all the dovetails to make it look more classy. Creating a small channel to guide the start of the sewing. I love to using Japanese saws. They're just brilliant. Now with a small copper saw, I'm removing the excess and then using a chisel, taking the most of the material out, keeping everything nice and square. To mark the sides, I'm using marking knife, and then again cutting everything with a handsaw.
That's perfect. Now we're gonna create a small rabbit with my router to create a small recess for the bottom of the box. For sides, I'm using pre-aging fuming effect from Rubio Monocoat. Then a little bit of glue, and let's assemble the outer box. A little bit of glue for the bottom section. I trim it a little bit with a block plane to make a very precise fit. Clamp it down with just a few clamps. And few more. And a couple more, just to make sure. After the glue is dry, I'm setting my table saw for the 15 degrees to create a nice finish on the bottom of the box. I'm not using any fancy fence or anything else, just slowly sliding through the table saw and finishing everything to remove the markings from a blade with a block plane. This is my mock-up over that rolling top. So far it works really nice. So for top, I'm gonna use the 12mm ash and slowly marking, cutting the bandsaw, and see it how it's fit. Few more cuts. And everything starts to look like a sunrise pattern. After all of these rough cuts, I'm cutting at 35 degrees on the sides to allow the top for bending. I found the bandsaw is the quickest way to do it and safest. I'm removing all of the markings of a block plane to leave a nice and smooth surface without sanding. Now with a masking tape and CA glue to glue the top together with a piece of timber just to hold it down. It holds everything nice. So now I'm going to use the black felt, cut it to the size, and glue everything together with contact glue. Slowly and careful, don't drop it and mess up everything. As you can see, this technique works perfectly. Now we're gonna create a small chamfer on the top of the box to make it look a little bit better. After marking the hole, unfortunately I cover all the shots with my full cup, so sorry for that. It's not the first time. And finishing everything with Rubio Pure, making that grain really pop. And ash is one of my favorite wood. Finishing everything before adding legs, just to make finishing much easier. Wiping off the excess, and it's nice. Now to the legs. For legs I've got a piece of oak, brass. I make that fancy jig to help me drilling the same spot on the legs and on the box. I'm clamping my jig, drilling everything through with a 6mm drill bit. And using this really nice vise, kindly gifted to me by Dave G Design. So thank you very much, mate. And this vise is really nice, so versatile, and it just look classy. I'm gonna use a plane just to make it nice hexagonal shape. I'm drilling first hole, then sticking the brass rod just to make sure nothing gonna move. Now I need to cut 8 pieces of brass rod to the same length. And magic. That was clean. Nice and shiny. Alright, putting them in and cutting them to the right length. Time to add a small chamfer to add that tiny detail. and I'm gonna finish them also in a fumed intense, just to make that nice contrast with brass. Put a little bit of black CA glue and slowly tap them in. I remove the squeeze out, just to don't mess the nice finish on the outside. Putting all four together. Finishing them with Rubio walnut, just to add a tiny bit extra dark color to the grain. Let's flip it. Time for branding. Let's hit this puppy up. And boom. Now it's ready. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoy watching this video. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and see you on the next one. Cheers.